In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Webhook in n8n. By the end, you'll know how to set up a Webhook node so external services can trigger your workflow with a simple HTTP request. First, open n8n in your browser. If you're not already signed in, log into your workspace so you can access your projects. Once you're in, head to the workflow area. You can start a new workflow or open an existing one where you want the webhook to live. The key is to be inside the workflow canvas so we can add nodes. On the canvas, look for the plus icon to add a node. This opens the node selector, which is where you'll find everything you can plug into your workflow. In the search bar, type webhook, then click the webhook node to add it. This node will receive incoming requests and pass the data along to the rest of your workflow. Next, choose the HTTP method you want the webhook to accept. Post is the most common for sending JSON payloads from other apps. Get is typically used for simple pings or URL verifications. You can also pick put, patch, or delete if that's what your integration expects. Select the one that matches how the source will call your webhook. Now enter the path. This is the unique endpoint segment appended to your n8n webhook URL. Make it descriptive and easy to recognize. Avoid spaces and special characters. Use lowercase and hyphens to keep it clean. The path helps you organize multiple webhooks and ensures you don't accidentally reuse the same endpoint. Choose your authentication option. If you're prototyping, you can leave it open, but for anything real, pick an auth method supported by your sender, such as basic authentication or a custom header. Keep credentials out of your workflow documentation and rotate any secrets regularly. Set how the webhook should respond. You can respond immediately to acknowledge receipt or respond later after downstream nodes run. Immediate responses are great when the sender only needs a quick 200 OK. Responding later is useful when the sender expects processed results. You can also adjust the status code and body to match what the sender requires. When you're ready, click Test Trigger on the webhook node. This puts the node into listening mode and shows you a test URL. Send a request to that URL from your source system or a test client. As soon as n8n receives it, you'll see the payload, which helps you confirm the method, path, and authentication are all correct. That's it. You've created a webhook in n8n and verified it's ready to receive data.